Welcome back. In this video, we'll understand the hands-on of column data profiling, which is part of the Data Completeness Check. So when do we do this data profiling? So these are essential when we are testing large amounts of data or millions of data in the project. So it is a validation to compare source and target data without actually comparing the entire data. So what do we do? So we create logical sets of data that reduce the record count and then do the comparison between source and target. And this column data profiling is also essential when we have the source and target in the different systems. For example, we should do the validation in the separate system for the source and the validation of the target in the separate system. In this column data profiling, the first check which we are going to understand is data type analysis. The second, value distribution. The third, null and missing value assessment. Next, we have statistical summary. So all this contribute to the column data profiling checks. We'll get started with the first one. To see the data type analysis, in this, we evaluate whether the values in each column match with the expected data types. Let me check the data type analysis by giving this describe table name. I got the details of the particular table employee data source. So here it is telling I have some 9 columns and their data types. So all are matching with my mapping document, and whether they are null, whether they have default values, which is the primary key, any unique key is assigned, and all other information are available when we run this describe table employee data source. So in this, we have to match with the mapping document and verify whether all the data types are correctly defined in the table. So let me check similar way for the target table as well. So I have describe table, target. Let me see whether all the data types column names are matching with the mapping document. Yes, we have to deeply go through all the column names and their data types, whether they are matching with the mapping document. So this is a data type analysis check. Next video, we'll understand value distribution. Thank you.